What's up, amigos, amigas? Utitera colmigas. What's up, everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning. So last night here in Dubai, it was raining cats and dogs. So this is what happened now. I will show you. The swimming pool. Oh my god, this is full of water here. Just be on the side, just. Oh my goodness. So mo ni siya may tabo if it's rain. Oh, ito siyang uwan na gabi eh. Oh my goodness. No way. See that carbon? Oh my god. This is what happened when it rained for how many hours? Not even long hours. And our car is so low, that's why. So tomorrow we'll buy new one for the rain.
It's fully clear. That's all the glass in your company.
Yes. Slow down. Yes, there's no water in this area. Only the clock tower. 24 hours water there. Fountain. Time check. Wow. Another swimming pool.
Thank God. That is only stuck. That
Oh my god.
engine water is stuck.
No, look at this.
Yeah, this is true. Look at the front.
Oh god.
What is stuck there?
Oh my goodness.
God knows it's not.
So, money siya yung mahitabo. Money siya yung mahitabo basta what? Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, that bus is stuck. I think this bus is stuck maybe.
Bye! Kya kare? Yes! We came out success! So, this is what normally happens here in Dubai when there is a rain. And now it might rain again. Right?
Yes. Forecast is for the whole day.
So, traffic and flood.
Now we'll go for a long drive.
So this is what normally happened here because UAE is not blessed with rain. Like back in Philippines, even if it's summer, it will rain. Here, it's like it will rain in the winter, but you can just count it by your fingers. Maybe it can be 3 times a year, 4 times. But this year, it rained how many times?
More than 15 times. Sir.
It rained a lot this year. So now we are safe. Car is safe, thank God. We're almost reaching home. Take care, everyone. Be safe. God bless. Bye.